Good morning, everybody. This is SRM Mahankali Rao from BRR GKR Chambers Degree College, Palakollu. Today, explain about web technology. Web technology refers to the means by which computer communicate with each other. That means the one computer to the information transferred to the another computer using the web technology. Using markup languages, scripting languages. They are HTML and CSS and PHP and JavaScript and a database. Mainly, we are used two types, the web designing and web development. Web designing is used for designing the web pages. Okay, the web designing use type of scripting languages. They are HTML and CSS. Okay, let's start HTML. HTML standard for hypertext markup language. HTML standard for hypertext markup language. It allows created to the web pages. The HTML use created to the web page. It does not include any control structure, can provide it to the any static content. Okay, now does not provide it to the any control structures and can provide it to the static content. HTML page consists of various tags. Okay, you are designing the web page using number of the tags make the web page. Okay, number of features is there. Okay, formal language for the text and images you are created to the text and images in the web pages. You are a formal language. Formal language means the markup language is the computer language. The tags define the elements with the document. The human readable language is nothing but the markup language. It allows use read content non-linear by using the hyperlink. One page to another page move using the hyperlink. The hyperlink you are using in web pages. HTML applications of the SGML. SGML means standard generalized markup language. It's the standard for how to specify the document. Markup language are tag set. Such a specification itself, documentation type definition DTD, document type definition. HTML is not itself documentation language, but describe how to specify. How to specify is nothing but the HTML. HTML markup language tag describe the web pages. HTML use markup tags. Okay, now number of tags you are using describe the web pages. It's not a case sensitive. You write the small cases, you write the upper cases, both are accept the HTML documentation. Okay, now can written in small cases or upper case letters. All the HTML documentation, okay, extension .html .htm extension. The HTML documentation can editing using editor, notepad or front pages. You write the documentation, you write the code, you write the HTML tags. Using editor is the notepad. Okay, HTML editor is notepad. Advantages of the HTML. Okay, it allows the embedded script to generate the dynamic content. The embedded script is the script, embedded is the screen. Models, number of models you are created to the HTML. The script is the part is the screen that will save the loaded to the rest of the screen. This is the number of models. On the other hand, the scan box and add-ons. This is the total information about the embedded script. It can incorporate images and sounds and help the HTML tags. Okay, you are created to the images and sounds and within the HTML tags. Okay, now facility of moving text and layer text you are using. Okay, next one, it allows the formatted documentation. It allows the absolute position of the text and images. The position of the text and images, the images left alignment and right alignment and justification, that is the totally using of the HTML. Spreadsheets and video clips and PDF files can embed in HTML documentation with the supported to the third part of the plex. The number of advantages of the HTML. You are created to the embedded scripts. You take images and sounds within the help of the HTML tags and moving text and layer text and formatting documentations and absolute position of the text and images and spreadsheet, video clips, and etc. Total number of advantages in the HTML documentation. Next one, disadvantages. It's only static content is the disadvantages of the HTML. Does not facilitate headers is not accepted, footers is not accepted, footnotes are not accepted, mathematical typing testing is the default. This is the totally depend upon the browsers is the depend. No tabs and other automatic character spaces is not accepted to the HTML documentation. Next one, the major important next one, explain the concept of basic HTML. HTML is the language for the describing the web pages. You are created to the web pages. HTML standard for hyper text markup language. Okay, HTML is markup language. A markup language is the set of markup tags. The tags describe the documentation content. Okay, HTML documentation contain the HTML tags and plain text. You are created to the plain text. HTML documentation also called web pages. Okay, clearly explain the tags. HTML markup tags are usually called HTML tags. Markup tags are HTML tags, both are same. HTML tags are keyword surround the angle bracket. Angle bracket open, HTML angle bracket close. The execution is the started HTML documentation. Okay, next one, HTML tag normally come in pairs. Suppose angle bracket open, HTML angle bracket close, definitely closing tag angle bracket open slash HTML angle bracket close. This is nothing but pair tags. Suppose come on in pair like angle bracket open B angle bracket close. This is the starting tag. Angle bracket open slash B angle bracket close. This is the pair tags. The first tag is the pair is the starting tag. Second tag is the ending tag. Okay, HTML is the starting tag slash HTML. This is the ending tag. The ending tag is the written like a starting tag. The forward slash before the tag name. Okay, starting tag you write the slash is nothing but the ending tag. Starting tag, ending tag also called opening and closing tag. HTML tags are not a case sensitive. You write the small letters, you write the capital letters, all are accept the HTML tags. Okay, styles must be switched off the ending tag. Okay, some characters have replaced the text escape sequences, white spaces, tabs, new lines. Ignore the browser. If the browser does not understand the tag, usually ignore it. Okay, you are clearly explain, you are clearly write the tag and open and closing tag. Okay, must be accepted to the HTML documentation. Okay, next topic is the structure of HTML documentation. The execution start and ending and heading and body tag are clearly explained it. All HTML documentation follow the same basic structure. Generic basic structure of HTML documentation. First one, HTML angle bracket open, HTML angle bracket close. Next one, heading, header tag. You write the title information, you write the styles information, complete the header tag. Next one, body tag, angle bracket open, body tag and angle bracket close. The total information you write the body tag. Okay, you are using the multiple tags, H tag and P tag and image tag, anything, any information you write between the body tag. Okay, body tag close and HTML close. This is the structure of HTML. Okay, next one, entire documentation surround, total surround information, HTML tag open and HTML tag close. The body content of the display to on the screen. The information you write the body tag, you write the any information within body, the information display the web page. Okay, next one, documentation section. This is the everywhere will write in documentation beginning with the basic declaration. This is the name of the web page. This is the name of the web page. You write documentation declaration part. You write the information. This is the comment section. Okay, angle bracket open, exclamation mark and write a web page. You write the small web page, angle bracket close. This is the documentation type of the documentation, type of the web page. Okay, that's mentioned in the comment section. Next one, documentation head. You write title information, you write the styles declaration, you write the scripting function, meta statements, all information, including all information, you write the head tag. The documentation head holds the controlling information used to the browsing and servers. If the people know at the head tag and the title tag and styles and CSS scripts and scripting functions and meta statements, all information you write the head tag. Okay, that's clearly explain the one small program. Okay, right, I will clearly explain it. Body tag. This is the document body. The body is the container for the visual part of the documentation. All things written will be shown when the documentation is the end. Suppose that the body means you open the body tag and closing the body tag. Within you write the all information. Within the all information, you write the all information, display the web page. Okay. Small web page, HTML. This is the education part is the started to the HTML. Next one, header tag. You write the title information, you write the scripting information, you write anything. But header tag open, angle bracket open, head angle bracket close. I write the title information, angle bracket open, title angle bracket close. My first page, angle bracket open / title angle bracket close, head close. Head information is the completed. Next, body information is the start. Body information, angle bracket open, body angle bracket close. Okay, angle bracket open h1, angle bracket close, hello HTML, angle bracket open, the small mistake is there, angle bracket open /h1, angle bracket close. Okay, next one, angle bracket open /body, angle bracket close. Okay, that is the body information. You write the any information, display the on the screen. HTML close. Okay, clearly observe, this is the output, hello HTML. You write hello HTML within body. Okay, display the hello HTML. Next one, explain the documentation body. You write the any information within body. Okay, that is the nothing but the block. Nothing but the block. In HTML, documentation are prepared to the block test and each block forwarded to the independently. Okay, the block of information is the paragraph and heading. Okay, let's start paragraph. You write the web page, you design the web page. Write the paragraph using p tag. The paragraph is the block level elements. The tag you are using p tag, angle bracket open, p angle bracket close, paragraph information. After completed to the paragraph information, angle bracket open /p angle bracket close. Okay. Next one, clearly explain the syntax formation. Angle bracket open, p angle bracket close, paragraph information, angle bracket open /p angle bracket close. Okay, but the paragraph applied the alignments. Align is equal to left, the paragraph is the left display, alignment is the center display, and alignment is the right, the paragraph is the display to right, and align is equal to justify. Okay, all elements is the attributes is the optional. This define the horizontal elements of the content. Left element, the text is the alignment to the left margin. Right, the text is the alignment is the right margin. The text is the centered. The text is the justification. Both margins is the applied. The p tag open and p tag closing between you write the information, display the on the web page. Headings. Okay, headings h1 to h6 tags are using HTML headings. The heading tags is the divided to the 6 types, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, h1 is the size 18 and 16, decrease the sizes is the h1 to h6. Okay, the most important heading h6 is the defined least important heading. H1 is the defined the most important heading, H6 is the defined the least important heading. Okay, P tag information P tag applied to the alignments same as it is the H1 to H6 alignments is applied to between the information, and after completed to the information you write the angle bracket open slash H1 H2 H3 H3. Okay, one small program, HTML head tag and title information completed, and head tag is the complete. Next one, body tag open. You are using H1 tag. H1 align is the center. This is heading 1. Heading 1 apply the H1 tag. This is heading 1. The size is 18 is the applied. Okay. The align center. The alignment is the center is the display. The align center H2 tag. Compared to H1 and H2, the size is decrease. H3 is the size is decrease. H4 is the size is decrease. H5, H6. Okay. The total information is the display. Body. You write the information H1 to H6. The all information is the display the web page. Okay. Small web page is the created. Explain the text formatting tags. Okay, the first tag is the H tag. There are 6 levels of heading available. H1 is the largest, most important heading. Done. H6 is the small heading. H1 is the large heading. H6 is the small heading. Okay. Next one, bold. B tag and B tag open and B tag close. This is the pair tag. Between the information is applied the bold. The text between the tag will be bold. Stand out against the text around it is the same word process. Okay. Next one, italic. Also working is the same way. Word process italic display the text, slide the angle, apply the italic. Underline. Angle bracket open, U angle bracket close. Razu, the text is the Razu, angle bracket open slash and U angle bracket close. Again the same underline, the word process, the between text is Razu, apply the underline. Okay, strike out, put in the line is the right through the center of the text, crossing out. After using the show that text is the old and no longer relevant. Okay, pre-test, the test is the between the pre-tags including the space and carries return to the function and fixed size and editor using the pre-tag. Okay, small test and base font. I clearly explained to the base font. Base font size is equal to 5. Apply the between the test. The information is applied to the 5. The base font size is equal to 10. Angle bracket close. Okay, Siva. Angle bracket open slash base font. Apply the Siva. Size is 5. Base font color is equal to red. Okay. Ramana, the text color apply the red. Center. The useful tags is make everything between the tag center. Anything, all tags is heading tags H1 to H6. Okay. Next one. I clearly explained that this is the small tags information H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, all tags applied. The information is the display. This is the heading 1. Apply the size is 14, 12, 8. Okay, that's the information. Decrease the size. Okay, next one, the font size. Clearly, this is the small web page is the designing font size. HTML execution is the starting. Angle bracket open, head angle bracket close. Okay, next title, changing font size, title close, head close. That is the changing font size. The only information. Title that is the information. Execution, the total information. Body tag is the open. Between the information, body tag close. The information, body information is the display the web page. H1, changing font size. H1 means heading. Changing font size is the display. Base font size is 3. Total information total information apply the all information apply the base font size is 3. P, here some text is size there, P tag, some text is size there. T, E, X, T, apply the font size is 3, 3, 2, 1, minus 1. Text, TEXT, clearly observe, T size 3, E size 2, X size 1, minus 1 font size text T. Okay, next one, font style using HTML CSS. This is the body style, background color is yellow. This is the background color is yellow. Clearly observe, body style is equal to background color yellow. Body style, background color is red. Totally background color is red is applied. Body style, background color is black. Background color is black is applied. Okay, next one, H2 style, background color is red. H2 style, background color is red. Okay, next one, P style, background color is green. Okay, the total apply the information. Let's start explain hyperlinks. You are using E tag, the HTML and curly angle bracket open, A angle bracket close, tag define the hyperlink. The hyperlink is the word group and words the images can be click the jump another documentation. The hyperlink jump another documentation, jump the image and jump the one page to another page using the hyperlink. When we move the cursor our link the web page, the arrow will turn to the little hand. The must import attribute angle bracket A close the element href high reference attribute which is the indicate the link. Okay, the hyperlink, the syntax formation is angle bracket A href is equal to double quotation. You mention the URL. URL means uniform resources locator. Apply the link test. Just suppose angle bracket close the link test. The Google website link the link test. Suppose the test click the Google website open. The test, suppose URL Facebook. You mention the URL Facebook. The link test Facebook. The test you click the test Facebook is the open. The href is the attribute specify the destination of the link. This is the URL is the destination of the link. Suppose angle bracket A href is equal to double quotation. You write the URL. URL means google.co.in http://www.google.co.in. This is the href. Sorry, URL uniform resource locator. Visit W3 school. This is the test converted to blue test. This is the nothing but the link. You click the visit W3 school, immediately open to the google.com. Okay, click on the hyperlink will the send the user Google home page. Note the link test does not have the test. It is can be image or any HTML elements. The HTML links target attributes. Suppose href http://www.google.test.blank visit Google. You are click the Google, immediately open to the google.com. Okay, next. Today explain about list, order list, unordered list and a definition list. Okay, so suppose coffee, tea and milk. This is the order list 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the nothing but 1, 2, 3 means order list. ABC means A is coffee, B is tea and C is milk. This is the nothing but order list. Capital A, capital B, capital C is the nothing but order list. Roman letter 1, 2, 3 is the nothing but order list. Okay, suppose clearly explain about this topic order list. An order list can be numerical and alphabetical. The list is numerical and alphabetical. Order list, the first character is the O, list is the first character is L, and this is the nothing tag is OL, order list, angle bracket open, OL, angle bracket close. The tag defines the order list. Okay, list of items, coffee, tea, milk, this is nothing but the list of items. You are using tag is li, list of items. Okay, the small program, HTML, body, okay, an order list is the heading, order list, next, list of items, coffee, tea and milk. You are display, the list of items is the display one order, 1, 2, 3 are capital A, capital B, capital C, are small a, small b, small c, are, okay, that is the order list. OL type, mention OL, type is equal to double quotation 1, mention the double quotation 1, angle bracket close, list of items, coffee, tea, milk, angle bracket open, /OL. Okay, the type is 1, the output is 1 coffee, 2 tea and 3 milk. Same program, small modification, OL type is equal to small a, double quotation lo small a. Okay, next immediately the output is the display, A coffee, B tea and 3 milk. Next C milk. Next OL type is equal to Roman letter 1. Okay, list of items same, order list close. Roman letter 1 coffee, Roman letter 2 tea, Roman letter 3 milk. Okay, next one. Suppose OL start 50. Immediately start coffee 50, 50 coffee, 51 tea, 52 milk. Next one, unorder list. Unorder list means this is the divided to the number of the types. First one, disk, circle, square, none. This is the 4 types. Okay, same program, HTML, body, unorder list, UL type is equal to disk, double quotation mention, angle bracket close, list of item, coffee, tea, milk. Type means disk display, thick circle, disk. UL type is equal to circle coffee, circle tea, circle milk. UL type is equal to square symbol coffee, square symbol tea, square symbol milk. Next one, UL type is equal to none, coffee, tea, milk, immediately display. Next one, definition list. The list item is not a list of single items. The list of items together description of each item. Suppose this is the description. Coffee description, black hot drink, milk white cold drink. Suppose RAM random access memory, ROM read only memory, that is the definition list. Okay, clear? Definition list you are using, the first tag is DL. Coffee means definition term, black hot coffee is equal to definition data. Okay, definition term coffee, definition data black hot drink. Next one, DT, definition term milk and definition data white cold drink. Same program you write another description, DT, RAM is the DT, definition term, random access memory, DD. The total information you write, the tag is DL, definition list. Okay, that is the definition list. Okay, the total topic